Okay, so this is the continuation of our previous lecture. So previously we studied that this was the outer layer was the ectoderm, and this was the connective tissue or the actomesenchyme. So the invagination of the ectoderm in the actomesenchyme was basically, previously I told you guys that that was the placodes or the knob-like structures or budding. But now morphologically we are going to call it as an enamel organ. This is known as enamel organ. The invagination of the ectodermal layer or the invagination of the ectoderm inside the connective tissue is now called as an enamel organ. So now we are advancing towards the more morphological terms. So morphologically it is named as an enamel organ. So coming up onto the morphological stages of tooth development. Alright, here are a few basic terms. First of all, we should be familiar with the terms, and we are now told that there is a term named as an enamel organ. What is an enamel organ? As I told you previously, this was the actomesenchyme, ectoderm. This was the ectoderm, and this was the connective tissue layer. Now this is what? This is an enamel organ. Deep invagination into the connective tissue, and now there is, you can see the marginal arrangement of the connective tissue along the enamel organ. So here it's going to arrange itself. First of all, there was invagination and the connective tissue was haphazard, but no, now the connective tissue will start arranging itself like a plate around the enamel organ. Okay, so this the concept was, I wanted to tell you guys about the enamel organ. Now this is the enamel organ. All right, this is the next stage in which the enamel organ is going to increase in the size and change its shape. Now from the bud, this was a structure of an enamel organ like a bud, and now this structure of an enamel organ is like what? It's like a cap. From bud to cap it is changed, and now you can see these are the actomesenchymal cells. They are arranged in the invagination or in the in the concave border of the enamel organ, and this is the cluster of the cells, cluster of the actomesenchymal cells, and they are known as dental papilla. This cluster collectively is known as dental papilla, and now the fibrous tissues or the connective tissues are going to arrange themselves by a process named as marginal condensation. They are marginally arranging themselves. Condensation means compaction. Marginally they are compacted like a plate around the enamel organ and around the dental papilla, and now they are named as a dental sac. Why a dental sac and why a dental follicle? Dental follicle or dental sac. Why it is named as a dental sac? Because it is enclosing the enamel organ and what? And the dental papilla. Alright, so we have studied the terms. It's a recap that enamel organ was the invagination of the ectoderm, and